Hey, what's up, y'all? We on our way to Dairy Queen right now. My wife wanted to go get some ice cream from there. I see on the commercials that they are always posting ice cream, different blizzard looking type of ice creams, different type of chicken sandwiches. I've yet to see burgers. They probably do have burgers. I hardly see any videos of Dairy Queen on YouTube, so I'm probably gonna go do a review there right now and see what they're working with. All right, y'all, see y'all there. Okay, so we pulling up right now.
I think it's a small driveway.
Yeah, you pulled into the whole wrong area, sweetheart.
Well,
Womp, womp, womp.
I don't know how to
Babe, you don't know how to get nowhere.
get over there.
There you go. We on the wrong side.
That means we're gonna have to make a U-turn, go up, and then turn in, because there's no way to get over there.
Then I guess that's what we're gonna have to do.
Oh, you can get it right there. Dang! Ah!
Okay, they got chicken and waffles. Everybody got chicken and waffles right now. Like, man, could you just leave the chicken and waffles to the chicken and waffle places? Y'all know it's generic chicken and waffles. I'm so serious. So you gonna get his ice cream? Oh dang, they got a whole menu up in here. I thought it was just ice cream. How you doing, man?
Okay, can I get a small Reese's Blizzard?
Okay, y'all. So all we did was get ice cream. They do got food here. Apparently, they got like a lot of food. I didn't know that. I'm about to come back here and eat one day.
That's not all we got. We got
You
onion
did.
rings.
What you got?
Reese's.
Okay. Right. Thank you.
Thank you.
And I got the Heath Blizzard. That's what it's called, a Heath Blizzard. She got a Reese's Blizzard. And some onion rings. They smell kind of funny.
No, they don't. Hater.
How about I hate her if they smell funny? Don't get married, you guys.
We could have just shared one. I ran.
So, on the first bite. Wow. That's good. That's very good. Good quality ice cream. You can take chunks of Heath bars in it. That's one of the onion rings. Describe your ice cream, baby.
Papa.
What's it taste like?
Tastes just like Reese's.
What do you give it from 1 to 5? I mean, 1 to 10?
How do you think?
Is it hot?
You're already up. Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Y'all y'all know how I love my ranch.
Big chunks of Heath bars in there. You ever had a Heath bar? Things are delicious. See what that tastes like. See what the ranch tastes like. Let's see what Dairy Queen Ranch tastes like. Cream. Wow. What hot.
Your words have been all types of mixed up today.
It's good. You know why? 'Cause I get tired when I come out of school because I'm learning so much, and it's been 18, 19, it's been 12 years since I've been in school, so mentally, I get tired. Sorry, babe. I was talking on that. I'll take that for onion ring.
I know you will.
Bomb onion rings, though. The only other place, fast food place that I know got onion rings is Burger King.
Oddly, you want to know? Oddly,
Smashing on Burger King.
oddly, this tastes pretty good, even though it's just eating ranch and onion rings.
Yeah, this is good. This is good too. Look at that. Little Heath chunks in it. Maybe y'all can just see that. Well, kind of see it. My camera sucks. Got goosebumps on that bite. Man, my teeth hella cold. Woo! Good ice cream though. Can't even front.
If you go to Dairy Queen and they tilt this upside down, this isn't hot.
Yeah, just look. My white mine's melting already. When you first serve it, the guy came and brought these over and put them upside down, and the ice cream didn't fall out. What was that supposed to mean?
It's part of them saying that it's blizzard cold.
It is cold because it's like freezing over my gums.
Hurts my teeth.
It's worth it though. Good ice cream, y'all. Here, y'all want a bite? Get it. So let's do something cute. Get mine, you get yours. I mean, yeah, you get mine, I get yours.
What? Oh, MG.
I like mine better. Real talk. This Heath one smack, boy. She went in for second, so she knows it's good. Another onion ring. Look at that onion ring. Crispy, beautiful looking onion ring. My favorite type of onion rings are usually not the ones that are like crispy like this, but they look like, how would you say, babe? Like beer battered? Huh? Because they got two types of onion rings. One that just looks like really fried over like a donut, and they got these crispy ones. You know what I'm talking about though? But these ones are good though. That's a pretty big ranch to dip in. Huh. Not one of them little small ones. What you smelling? Jack in the Box got onion ring?
Yeah.
Or that just curly fried?
Maybe it's just curly fries.
Dairy Queen got good ranch. I need a shave, boy.
No.
I ain't say, boy.
You're not recording anything but your face, like your bottom half of your face.
I know. She's shy. Oh yeah, all in all,
I'm tired now.
I give these onion rings, Dairy Queen ice cream, 10 out of 10. For Shelly, what do you give it? Be honest.
Well, I like Anthony's ice cream better than mine. So, my ice cream is not a 10 anymore. These onion rings are so good, especially with their ranch.
So where you get the ice cream? Your ice cream.
Okay, my ice cream compared to your ice cream, mine's like a...
No, just what do you rate your ice cream from 1 through 10? Don't compare it to mine.
Okay, well, it's a 10. If I didn't try yours.
Okay.
But because I have tried yours, I would say
But
go
the
get the
Heath is
Heath.
better.
Yeah, the Heath is better than my Reese's one.
The Heath go, bruh. What about these onion rings?
Onion rings smack. Especially with the ranch.
11 out of 10 for the onion rings. Thank you guys for watching this review. We appreciate you guys. Comment, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you like.
Give us some ideas.
Yeah, if y'all want to, if we can get to it. If we can get to it, it's not a promise. If y'all want to give us some ideas, that's cool with y'all. That's cool. If you don't want to give us no ideas, we still gonna be throwing these videos out of here. I'm telling y'all, go get some onion rings from Dairy Queen. You ain't gonna regret it. I'm gonna come back here and do a burger video. I don't know when, but soon. Alright then, y'all. Peace.